This is the TWSBI Eco White Rose Gold fountain pen. It comes in a white cardboard sleeve. It has a TWSBI logo with a rose gold foil, and that sleeve slides off. Inside is a plastic box for the pen. It has a cloudy finish to it with the TWSBI logo on the top of the box lid. It is a little catch here on the front. It lifts open on the hinge style lid. Included with the pen is information about using the pen and disassembling, cleaning, and caring for it. Included with the pen is a small vial of silicone grease. There is also a small wrench for the pen for use for disassembling. And of course, we have the TWSBI Eco White Rose Gold fountain pen. This pen has a clear Demonstrator body. You can see the piston mechanism inside. It has a white knob on the end and a white cap with rose gold trim. The TWSBI traditional clip there with the TWSBI logo in red on the top of the cap. It has a band at the center of the pen with the TWSBI logo engraved and Eco RG Taiwan on the back, and a small rose gold band between the white knob here on the end and the barrel. The cap is threaded and will unscrew and post nicely on the end of the barrel of the pen. It has a clear transparent section. You can see the ink flow on the inside as you're using it, and it has a rose gold nib with the TWSBI logo engraved on it and a black feed. It is a piston style fountain pen, so this knob here on the end, it has a hexagonal shape, so it makes it easy to grab. You can see the piston move nice and easily as you fill it with ink. So you'll run the piston in the front, put it in the bottle of ink, and then fill it. There is a little channel here where that wrench I showed you earlier will fit, so if you wanted to take the pen apart to disassemble it for cleaning or parts or whatever you need, that's available. Great pen. TWSBI's a great brand. Get your TWSBI Eco White Rose Gold fountain pen at penchalet.com.